Hello guys, welcome to the YouTube Growth Academy. In this video, I'm gonna be walking you through the entire process of creating your own channel from start to finish. I'm gonna show you how to create and verify your own channel, how to customize it, how to design your logo and channel art in a creative way that attracts viewers and turn them into subscribers, and finally how to optimize your channel to make it perfect. So let's get started. But before diving deeper, please subscribe to the YouTube Growth Academy channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified once we post new video. And also, if you have any question or suggestion, please let us know in the comment section and we will reply to your comment as soon as possible. Alright, to start creating your own channel, first of all, go to youtube.com and then click on your profile picture. If you have created your YouTube channel for the first time, you will not have the profile picture, but instead you will have the first letter of your name. So click on that. In order to understand that your channel is created, click and see that your channel is created. We will customize this and make it look better, but before that, let's verify your YouTube channel. To do that, again, click on your profile picture and then click on settings. Then in the account tab, click on channel status and features. There you will see your account name, your profile picture, and also there is a little below button called verify. To verify your account, you need to click on the verify. Click on text me the verification code and then click on submit. Once you click on the submit button, you will receive a verification code. Now enter the verification code and click submit. Once you click submit, it says congratulations, your YouTube account is verified. As you can see, your account is now verified. Now before customizing your channel, let's create your logo and your channel art. To do that, go to canva.com. There are so many different templates you can choose from, which are very cool templates and you can find them for free. You can customize them to make them your own. Here, I will type logo and then hit enter. And then in the search template, I type book because I'm creating this for an academy. And I've chosen this template for my own channel. I will customize this. This seems cool. I will make this small letters and I will capitalize the first letter of YouTube Academy and I will get rid of this one. I drag this a little bit lower. Then I go to elements. I put a circle around the book itself. Let's do that. Let's make it smaller and adjust this. Yeah, it's perfect now. I will put another circle around this logo. I will change the color, something like this. Our logo is now ready. You can name this YouTube or whatever you want and click download. Your logo will be now downloaded. I will upload this again. Now let's create our YouTube channel art. To create your channel art, go to the home page of canva.com, then type YouTube channel art. Then you can select either one of these templates or create your own. I will create my own by clicking the blank one, and then I will go to Google and find YouTube channel art template. Download. As you can see, there are many of them and I will click on one of these. Let's click on this one. Now let's open this. I will right click and copy the image and I will come here on my canvas and press Ctrl V to paste the template in. As you can see, the template is already pasted, so I will make it bigger to cover our canvas. Make sure to put your text on this area because nowadays the majority of people are watching YouTube videos through their phones, so if the text is too big, it will not appear properly on their mobile devices. I will go to element and type shape in the search bar. I will choose this shape. Now let's make this smaller to cover the recommended area and we'll drag this here, drag this to the right. Now select our favorite colors. So we will go to our design. We will open our logo, copy the color code. Now let's get the same color we have used for our logo. I will change the front color. This was the color I chosen for the logo. Click on this, copy the color code, and let's come back to the design. Let's change the color, something like this. Now let's add the text. Click on text, then add this one. I will bring this here. I will make the shape a bit transparent to see the background, something like this. And I will type YouTube growth, then change the font to the same font we used for our logo. I will copy this and paste and type Academy. I will change the text color to this one to match the background so it looks more appealing. As you can see, I've already uploaded our logo to the same area. I will click on the logo, make it smaller, and put this here. Decrease the size like this. Now I will delete the background image and will make the transparency 100%. As you can see, it looks very nice. Now let's add our tagline. I will click on this one and type #1 YouTube channel. Just something like this. You can choose whatever you want. Now to create a background for this, go to unsplash.com, find a nice background. I think this is a nice texture. Copy this image and now come here and Ctrl+V to paste this. I will increase the size, cover the entire canvas, and I will send this to background. Now our logo is almost ready. I will go back to element and find a rectangle. I will choose this one, increase the size, decrease from there. I will change the color to white. Now let's name it channel art and download. Alright guys, our channel art is ready. As you can see, this is our channel art and this is our logo. So we are good to move to the next step to customize our channel. To do that, click again on your profile picture. Now go to your channel and then click on customize. Now let's add our profile picture. Click on the pencil icon and then click edit, add picture. Now drag and drop your picture here. Let's set as profile. Now our profile picture is updated. Let's change our channel art. To do that, click on the little pencil button and edit channel art. Drag and drop your channel art here. As you can see that the channel art looking nice on the mobile device as well as on the TV and on PC. And select and see our channel art and logo are nicely updated. So the next thing we will do is to optimize our channel. First of all, go to about and then add channel description. I've already typed something for the channel description. I will copy and paste. As you can see, our channel description is added. This channel description will help us to look more professional, and once people are looking in our channel, they know what they are looking for, what our channel is really about, and it also helps us to rank in Google and YouTube search. The next thing we're gonna do is we will add our links. I've already created an Instagram account for this purpose. I call this YouTube Growth Network. Click add link. I will put the URL first and then click Instagram. Click add again. I will add Facebook, add the Facebook URL and click done. Now as you can see, our Instagram and Facebook are linked. We're gonna make some other modification. Let's go back to our profile picture, your channel, and now let's go to the YouTube studio. Go to settings and we'll change some basic settings. I will leave the currency as US dollar. Channel, add your channel keywords, what your channel is about. I will add some random keywords, but I will change these later. But to show you how to do that, I will just copy and paste a few of them. Let's make some more adjustments. Go back to settings, channel, branding, and let's put a little watermark here. So click images. I will put the logo I've created for this channel and choose entire video and click save. Now our settings are saved. As you can see, our channel is fully created and optimized. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing and I will see you in the next video.